Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a cool web banner, or it could be used for anything, for like a graphic design that you're working on using Pixlr. We're going to utilize the layer functionality of it as well, as adding some style options. First thing you're going to do is find yourself a couple images. A site that I recommend is Pexels. And you could find awesome images on here. Backgrounds, type in Milky Way. And this is the image I found. And it is free to download as well, all these images. And they are no attribution, no credit required. And then what I would do is find an image of an astronaut, whether it's this site or another site that has a very simple background that you could cut out. Now I've already found a couple images, so I'm going to open those images from my computer. I'm going to start with the astronaut I found. And now before we start editing this particular astronaut, what I'm going to do is I have to double click to unlock this layer. Now we're going to call this astronaut. Now I'm going to start editing this and removing this black background. This is the type of image you want to use for this particular process. It makes it very simple. If you have clouds or any other things in the background, it just makes it a little more time consuming and nitpicky to remove every little section. So magic wand tool, just click in the background and it's automatically selected everything around the astronaut. Some areas in between I'm going to have to deselect, so I'm going to take care of that in a second. Everything's selected, I'm going to press delete. Then what I'll do is zoom in here, select this area here, delete, and just do that for all the remaining areas. And this will make the image look really nice. I'm just using the scroll wheel on my mouse to zoom in really close. I believe I got most all of it. Now I'm going to Control D to deselect everything. I'm going to go ahead and add, open up my background, which is that Milky Way image I showed. Now the next thing we're going to do is paste in the astronaut. So I'm just going to edit, and we're going to Control A to select all, edit, copy. Now I'm going to go back over to the galaxy, edit, paste, and now I'm going to minimize him a little bit with a free transform from the edit menu. Edit, free transform, and now we can put him wherever we want. This looks pretty cool right here. Enter to confirm the transformation. Now the last thing we're going to do is just going to add in a little bit of text. So I select the text tool over here. I'm going to type in Pixlr. I'm going to go with a white. Okay, I'm going to select a cool font here. Can make it pretty big here to show up. All right, okay. And then let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. Make it 300. There you go, that's much better. And now I'm going to add in another layer, text layer. I'll make it a little smaller, like 100. Change that text to white so we can see it. Okay. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of shadow to these letters. So to do that, I'm going to right click, select layer styles, drop shadow, and we're going to bump the opacity up 100. You can get that distance down a little bit. And we can change the color to something a little bit different if you want, like a purple maybe. Kind of blend in. And we're going to adjust the size just a little bit. And now I'll do the same here, the out of this world. Oops, sorry. Right click, layer styles, drop shadows, adjust the opacity to 100. Distance is fine. The size we're just going to do like 4. Again, that color should have got this color here. There we go. Okay. And we might be able to adjust this distance here. I'm going to drop this down to 6. And now we have a really cool shot here, and we can crop out to kind of make it look better. Enter to crop out, and then we will just save it. Pixlr, we're going to do 100%. Takes a second. Okay. Save it to the desktop. We're good. And then we are done. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and look forward to providing more tutorials. If you need have any requests, put them in the comments section. Thanks so much.